It's official, the GoPro Hero 11 Black and Hero 11 Black Mini are releasing this week. GoPro posted a video on their social media accounts teasing the release of both models, along with the date of September the 14th, the same date that DJI is releasing the Action 3. So, shots fired. I made a bold prediction about another GoPro product, but it looks like I may be wrong. We'll talk about that later in the video. The new features in the Hero 11 Black can be found on leaked product packaging photos. There's a new larger 8x7 sensor. The larger sensor means an improvement from 8-bit color to 10-bit color. 10-bit color is something that people that do a lot of color grading and post have really been waiting for, so their wish has been granted. The field of view has increased from super view to hyper view. We'll have to wait to get more information direct from GoPro to learn what hyper view means. The larger sensor also means the photo resolution is improved. Based on leaked specs, the new photo resolution is 27 megapixels from 23 megapixels. There's a new feature called night effect. The Hero's poor light performance is well documented. Maybe this is GoPro's solution. I'm gonna continue to keep you up to date on all the latest action camera news, reviews, and how-tos. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss anything. The video resolution hasn't changed, it's still 5.3K 60 and 4K 120. The Enduro has improved the battery life. It will last 120 minutes. The body design is the same as the 9 and the 10. Okay, this is something different. A new mounting system called Gumby. That looks like it could be interesting. As far as pricing, all the leaked information I've seen have it at 549 euros. I don't know what it's going to be selling for here in the States. There's also information about the Hero 11 Black Mini. All this information has come from Roland Quant, who has been 100% accurate so far, so it's highly likely that its information is good also. It looks like the Mini is going to have all the hardware from the full-size Hero 11, besides for the screen, of course. It's going to have the sensor, the GP2 processor, etc. The Mini is going to be 2 inches high, 2 inches wide, and a little thicker than the full-size Hero 11 Black. Which model are you the most interested in? Let me know in the comments. The video teased the release of the Hero 11 and Mini only, which has me worried about my bold prediction from a previous video that a Max is going to be announced alongside those models. I don't know what GoPro has planned for the Max, but whatever it is, it has to be big. It's been 3 years since its release, and Insta360 is light years ahead of them. We have a big decision to make on September the 14th. Do we go with the Hero 11 Black or the DJI Action 3? To learn more about the Action 3 specs, check out this video.